I first went searching for the mysterious grandfather forest back in 1991 as I worked on my solo show Morte, which dealt with the dialectic of nature versus culture. The forest, planted back in 1967 by the family in memory of my grandfather, had become a close military area, and over the years this forest had become a riddle for me. The forbidden forest metamorphosed itself into many mobile forests, originating in the greenhouse created inside the Bograshov Gallery in 1992. There, for the first time, I relocated a replica of the original memorial stone which I had never discovered in the now forbidden forest, a replica that was to relocate itself over and over again.